Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipta. In today's video, I will be discussing how you can effectively prepare for the proctored exam of the NPTEL course Programming in Java, which is scheduled on May 4th, 2025. Now there will be two shifts for this exam and you will get your exact timing on the admit card. In this video, I will walk you through the exam pattern, the certificate criteria, and finally the best strategy and resources to prepare in the few days left before the exam. So let's begin. First, coming to the exam pattern. The final exam consists of 50 objective type questions, that means MCQ and MSQ, divided into three sections: Section A, Section B, and Section C. Section A will consist of 10 questions, that means of 20 marks. Section B will consist 50 questions, that means of 30 marks, and Section C will consist 25 questions, that means 50 marks. So the total marks will be 100. And remember, there will be no negative marking. So that means even if you don't know the answer of any questions, then don't leave the questions unattempted. At least attempt all the questions. Okay. Now coming to the certificate criteria. Your final score will be calculated as 25% of your average assignment score plus 75% of your final exam score. For example, if you score 60 out of 100 in the final exam, that means 75% of 60, that is equal to 45. Add your assignment score, say 12.5 out of 25, so total becomes 45 plus 12.5 is equal to 57.5 out of 100. So to be eligible for the certificate, you must score at least 10 out of 25 from assignment, score at least 30 out of 75 in the exam, and get a total 40 out of 100 or more. So if you don't meet both criteria, even 40 plus won't help. Okay, please remember this point. Now also, since this is a 12 weeks course, your best 8 assignment scores will be considered. Now, how to prepare in the final days? We know only 2 weeks left, so here's how you can maximize your preparation. So point number 1, revise all your weekly assignment, because most of the final exam questions come directly or indirectly from them. Indirectly means same pattern of questions will come but different options will be given. Now point number 2, no coding is required. So you won't be asked to write any code, but there will be code snippets and you will have to predict the output, identify errors or logic issues. Now point number 3, what are the key topics you should focus? So object-oriented programming, like OOPS concepts like polymorphism, inheritance, interfaces, abstract classes, exception handling, Java collections, file input-output, and streams. So those topics you should focus. Now point number 4, it is one of the most important point. Use the past assignment questions. I will provide all assignment questions from the previous run of this course, that is July 2024 sessions, in a shared Google Drive link. So if you need access, feel free to Gmail me at this mail. Now the final tips for the exam. Stay consistent, focus on understanding the core concepts and make sure you attempt all 50 questions in the exam, since there's no negative marking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Study with Pradipta. All useful links will be in the description below. Best of luck for your final exam. Thank you.